Yep, that's us. Now, you're probably wondering how we got here. Well, we'll need to rewind. The year starts out a little busy for us. We officially launched our brand new kitchen storage range, Utensio Pro. It's kitchen storage perfected, helping you maximize the value of space. We also threw an awards night for some of our finest studio partners. We gave awards, ate, danced, all under the roof of the incredible Natural History Museum. But it wasn't all strictly business. Throughout the year, we also did work for our chosen charity partner, 𝗙𝗏. Not only did we raise money for this incredible charity, we rolled up our sleeves and got stuck in, painting fences, hosting fundraising events, and of course, petting as many dogs as we could. We also attended events like the installer show at the NEC. You could come and see Utensio Pro on the house stand. We did a podcast and a live talk demonstrating our newly launched Utensio Pro range. We also exhibited at 𝗙𝗂𝗃 at the Business Design Centre in London, where we demonstrated how you can use Häfele products in your hotel business. And we launched 𝗙𝗲𝗿𝗀, designed to make jobs quicker, life easier, and clients happier. And how could we forget about Service Plus? Lighting, pre-assembled and cut to your requirements. Custom wooden drawers with personalized engraving. Pre-packaged items, pre-assembled drawers, pre-cut wardrobe rail. Phew! We've continued to innovate on our services to help you save time. And talking of time, that's how we end up here today. The end of 2025. Ooh, dramatic, I know. There's so much more we could cover, but I think it's time we wrapped this up for the year. From launching new products to charity work, attending as well as throwing events, to continuing to innovate. None of this would have been possible without you. Together, we've made spaces smarter, more stylish, and more functional. So, thank you for being part of this journey. From all of us here at Häfele, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in 2026.